All right, there's just 1 week left until kids head back to school. Mental health continues to be a hot topic among parents and teachers. And this morning, we've got some great guests, Courtney Chappell and Pignatiello from Rochester Regional Health, about signs and issues in kids that we can look for as we head back to school. We know for kids, mental health is a priority. We've got a lot going on with kids these days. We talk about social media, bullying in school, different aspects of it. So when it comes to our children's mental health, what are some of the key issues we need to focus on, especially when we talk about back to school?
I think mainly what you want to do is kind of like keep note if you notice a student or your child or a neighbor, a child that you know, is just kind of maybe starting to withdraw a little bit, maybe seems a little bit uninterested in things they used to do, just changes in behavior. Those could be, you know, key signs that something might be going on at school or even at home. Maybe they're having a little bit of anxiety, maybe tests are coming up, new grades. You know, getting ready for school in the morning, it can be a big adjustment because of sleeping. I have trouble adjusting to the new school schedule sometimes, getting up earlier. So just different things like that. Like keep a lookout for those.
And we talk about a change in routine. This time of year, we make that transition from summer to that school routine. She talked about it a little bit. That change in routine, though, can spark some anxiety in kids, right?
Exactly, it could, and it's really important to pay attention to those changes, right? Like Anna was saying. It's also important to recognize the fact that kids are kids and everything for kiddos is new, right? So if we think about how the brain develops and the fact that the last thing to develop is the kiddo's ability to problem solve, right? So if everything is new and they're faced with difficult situations like transitioning back into school or being in new social environments as well, so starting a new school or something like that, it's important to recognize the fact that kiddos need a little bit of help with these problem-solving abilities, and that's where parents come in and community members and teachers come in to provide that support and those problem-solving skills so that kiddos can maintain that for themselves in the future.
There's a lot of excitement for kids, too, as they go back to school. New classroom, new teacher, new friends. Some of that excitement, though, may conceal the anxiety underneath, right? Which is why parents, I think, need to pay close attention at this time, right?
Yeah, so I think a big thing for parents and teachers and other staff members at the school is just, like I said, pay attention and have, make it like a daily routine to talk to your child once they come home from school. What did you do? What did you like? And ask, what did you dislike? And ask them also why. That's a big piece. Because if they're shutting down and you start to assume something, your experiences are different from theirs. So just always ask why, be non-judgmental. You just always want them to feel connected. So that goes for parents, teachers, other support staff at the school, community members. For kids who are getting bullied or who are bullying as well, helping them feel connected can really boost their self-confidence and then help to decrease the opportunity or the possibility that those little things become more and more and increase anxiety.
And we only have a few seconds left, but important to remember that balance for social media as well, too, right? Pros and cons to social media for these kids.
Yeah, so there are a lot of opportunities that social media provides, both positive and negative, right? So there's a lot of connectivity that happens with social media, and at the same time, there are a lot of opportunities, once again, for cyberbullying. So just kind of watching out for that. And I also just want to plug the fact that listening is key, but also listening is hard. So kind of sitting and allowing your kiddo to take control of the conversation, it's building.
And tell you how they're really feeling, right?
Yeah.
All right, ladies, thank you so much. Important information as we head back to school.